love the kiss. I'm so in love with your eyes, love with your thighs. When you walk by, girl, leave me surprised. I'm so in love with your spirit, love with your heart. Mean it when I say to death do us part.
AP, look at Josie, knocked out. Yeah, we went to another Best Buy. Looking for our TV.
Okay, I'll check both of them then. See if we got them.
And preferably counter.
Okay. Yeah, let me see. This one's a counter depth. This is the standard depth one, but I'll check on all that.
Okay,
you
great.
just like this design though.
I love this.
Okay.
You guys,
yeah.
look.
Be right back.
Okay, great.
Look what I have no
This guy's in here with no shoes. No shoes, no service.
And he's doing like his little brother.
And
Who sleep with no sneakers.
That's why I thought.
He's barefoot like Bam
He
Bam.
did that yesterday too. He did that last on me.
Waiting on our
That's
TV.
why I wanted to do what my brother did.
Hopefully they have it in stock.
I didn't want him just to be alone.
Yeah.
Doing his own thing. I have to do what he
Give,
does.
give us power.
We have.
Yeah, he's gonna do it the hard way.
Oh, but if there's a smile over there. Why is you smiling?
Because they have it in stock.
Ah,
But you would have to install it yourself. You would
what did you say?
but
Same price
you would have to
everywhere
install
else.
it yourself.
Has a sale price.
You would have to man.
How much is it here? Because we did go to Home Depot. They had a good price.
Do you price match Home Depot?
We do price match Home Depot. It wasn't on.
It wasn't?
Yeah, I could probably look it up on my phone, but more than likely they're probably the same price too.
I
If
don't
you do
remember. I was just,
How much is it here?
How much is it here?
$29.99.
It is the same
Not-
price. They were a little more. I think 3,000.
No, it wasn't.
I took a picture of it.
Did you? 29? So we did it, guys. We got the fridge that we were looking for. Yeah. Yeah. We got the fridge we were looking for. I gotta excuse me, I'm holding Josie right now. And it came by surprise. We were in here, Dangerous Deeper. She was not expecting for this refrigerator to be here. But it in fact is here. It is here. And the counter depth version. So we did our thing, man. We did our thing.
After that first year, it's a 10-year warranty.
Which one, the 4-door?
Nope.
Or the one you got?
I like the one we got,
You have a
baby.
4-door, but French door.
These are guys at Best Buy. They hooked us up with the fridge, guys.
Got him the deal. Got him Black
Before
Friday pricing and everything.
Thanksgiving.
Exactly.
It will be looking really good
Right
in the
before they
fridge.
close, and even got a counter depth.
Yes, yes,
Everything
yes,
they want.
yes.
So
Everything they want.
Thanksgiving is
So-
gonna be lit.
Right?
gonna be a nice
Yes.
Thanksgiving.
Right?
Watch your YouTube videos on
Right.
Fridge.
That's
There you go.
right. We're good to go. You happy?
Yes, I'm happy.
J Funk is happy.
I would
J
scream
Josie's
if it-
happy and asleep.
I would scream if it was.
Oh gosh, don't scream. 30 minutes before this. Why? What's the
Maybe
difference?
1 minute actually.
All right,
So
guys.
Matt and Annabelle, you text your girlfriends, your people.
Tell everybody.
I'm on the So in Love Family
Right.
channel.
I'm gonna
Yep.
text her right now.
Right? Make sure you watch
My
this.
girlfriend loves you, Tom.
Right.
Definitely tell her.
And we've been because of the other TV, the other fridge with the TV that was supposed to come out, the LG one.
Yeah.
We've been looking for TVs for. I keep saying TV.
Yeah,
Looking for
refrigerators. I'm like,
for
what?
about
6
what?
months?
About 6 months.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Because we were just waiting on that
Yeah.
one to come
Yeah.
out.
Oh, dang.
Because I was gonna go with the one that we got today before,
But I like
when
the
saw
door and
that-
door.
The door and door, and it was
Yeah.
oh, okay, we're gonna wait. We kept waiting and waiting.
Forget
We're gonna
it.
have a big turnout on Thanksgiving.
Yeah,
Exactly.
over 100 people.
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
it's a big
we got
party.
it.
Prepared. You guys are gonna love this fridge. I guarantee
If
it.
you want to call back for the exchange though, this is our number. And
All
then
right, guys, we're good to
we're
go.
both here all the time.
Okay.
New fridge at the So in Love family house.
All right. Awesome. So we don't have a receipt.
This is the receipt right here.
Okay. We do have a receipt.
Yeah, we got it, baby.
Happy, you know it for the
So in Love family. Yeah, baby, got it.
So, can you believe this? This is what I can't believe.
Yeah, I love how
Dangerous-
stuff works.
Dangerous Diva is usually so energetic. She's usually so enthused. But she came in here, I was like, babe, oh, look, we at Best Buy. And we're actually on our way to Walmart. So
Yeah.
I'm like, look, babe, we at Best Buy. She's like, oh, well, we'll give it a try. So then she nonchalantly is walking through the aisles, and we walk right by the TV. I keep calling it the
I
TV.
know the
The
refrigerator with the screen.
with a TV in it. So we walk by it, and Dangerous Diva was like, I said, babe, look. She's like, whatever. And then her eyes said, yeah, exactly.
Now you awake and stuff.
Oh yeah,
Wait,
baby.
but I
I'm gonna wait.
And a
I
counter-
need
Yeah,
to
we're
get
gonna
my
get your
shoes on
shoes.
because look, yeah.
And a counter depth version at that.
I knew when I told him though what I wanted, I was gonna get it. I knew it. That's why you said work your magic. I did. I knew it was meant to be.
I knew it. Me
Because you see
too.
how we nonchalantly drove by Best Buy? I love how stuff works like that.
Me too.
That's how
I
God
knew it.
works.
I knew that it was happening too.
Yep, that's so wonderful. Got our fridge, guys. Not the Sears outlet version. All right.
Might as well just buy it.
That's it. We good to go? All right, that's it. We just went to Best Buy's warehouse. Best Buy's big old warehouse. And got us our new refrigerator. They told us it would come after Thanksgiving. That's a no-no. So, Love Family, we need that now. So, AP, 1 in a billion, and my man Dub C over here. We don't play no games. We went, we saw, we conquered, and now we got it. So, it's time to bring it home and install it. And let's see how excited Dangerous Diva and J-Funk and Josiah, the Soin Love kids. Let's see how excited everybody is when we bring this new refrigerator home. Just in time for Thanksgiving. I'm getting help right now. We have a new refrigerator. And look who's helping me.
Yep, guys. Look at them.
They're so strong.
They're so strong.
I'm telling you, this is the heaviest refrigerator I've ever had. Mom, can you hold the phone? I need J-Funk's help too.
Look at it. It says 1,700
Where's Jay at?
pounds. It tells you the front and the back. The front is on our side, so you want to keep it the way you got it. All right.
Come on, Jack.
Samsung fridge. Samsung.
My boy.
We're loving Samsung right now. Samsung phones. All that good stuff. They'll be all able to communicate.
It fits right in. We are about to be super in business. Do you see this?
Look at
All of our groceries are out right now.
We gotta get them back in the refrigerator and freezer.
We gotta hurry up. Look at our ice. It's melting, guys. Look
That's
at our
just
ice.
gonna melt. Because it makes us. Oh,
You heard that?
we'll have
feels
ice
good
for our
to
drink
me.
when we come back.
Can I eat
Wait
it?
till you guys see this.
Can I eat
The
it?
unveiling
Get back, guys.
of the super.
Never enough time.
Amazing. One of a kind.
Get back, Josiah. Look at their faces.
What are you doing? I get this.
So,
This.
and love,
I'm getting
refrigerator.
Yay!
Yeah.
Oh, they really think.
You want the box cutter?
Yeah.
Hey, don't cut my fridge now. Is it nicely packed in there?
Oh my God.
You can see it already? Oh yeah, baby. Woo!
Oh my God.
We can turn it on. It wasn't laying down on the way here.
Yeah, we can turn it on.
Oh, that's great.
I wasn't having that. We had a whole
Truck, right?
debate over that. Oh no, it still was just barely fitting the
What?
height of the truck.
Wow.
I told them we were not going to ruin our Thanksgiving.
Right?
Because we would ruin our Thanksgiving really if you know what I mean.
Have
We
a
got
fridge
a refrigerator
that doesn't
that
work.
we can't use. Because Thanksgiving is right here, guys.
Yeah,
So I had to get Brooklyn on them. You know what I mean?
that's right. Okay, time for the big reveal. Jay Funk's excited. Diane's excited.
Oh yeah!
Our new refrigerator.
Yeah!
Oh, look at it. It's so beautiful.
It's big. Dang, it's tall.
It is tall, but it fits.
Wait, how do we turn it? We need to plug it in.
Wow, guys. It's massive. It's much better than our other refrigerator.
Yeah.
I didn't even say goodbye to it. I was happy to see it go.
I didn't even.
It's like the perfect fit. It's tall.
Hey guys. Yeah, it's tall because I'm 6'2" and look
It's
at
like,
it.
yeah.
It's taller than me. Soon, guys.
You'll be
You'll be able
seeing
to watch
Soinlovefamily
Soinlovefamily videos right here on the screen.
in the kitchen. Everywhere you go. Phone, kitchen, living room.
Wait, I'm
Stay
not gonna
tuned,
take
guys.
this off.
This lovely fridge will be
Yeah,
on
why not?
soon. So we're starting our fridge. And look how smart it is. I've been loading stuff in the freezer.
Door
And you see a
open.
notification came. Because it's why? It's a smart fridge.
No more dumb fridges.
No more dumb fridges. I like that. I'm all for that. Still
Look how
have to
fresh
take
it is.
the plastic off. Look, now it's saying, hey. See? And it's a nice chime. Nice alarm. Hey, your fridge is open. And the
your
freezer.
freezer.
The kids might be in there. You might want to check it.
Oh,
Look what
wow.
else we're doing, guys. The door can be open while you play your music and load your fridge.
First website we went to watch a video.
Oh, yeah.
WelcomeToKids.com. I want you to go on WelcomeToKids.com, watch our video, which has over 3 million views already, and click that this video is fun. Oh, but you gotta log in to vote. Log in to vote, and then you can click that it's fun. Interruptions in the music
Said the kids
because
might
the
be in
freezer is open.
there. Our stuff has been out so long. I'm trying to wipe it off.
Yeah.
A lot of stuff is defrosted.
Oh wow.
Now's a good time to clean out the old freezer. Look what this cheese said.
I can't see. Hold up.
You know, cheese ages though, but
2014.
frozen cheese for a few years, I'm still not excited about trying. No thanks.
Few years. Try half a decade.
These are done. Thanks to the kids opening them in the freezer. Those are frostbitten. It said, "Close me, please." So guess what? Instead of putting my cheese in the fridge part, I actually have a dedicated cooling department. This is the metal cooling. It keeps all your deli meats and cheeses and drinks cool, nice and cool. Wow, this whole thing is plastic. It's like
My baby got the
unwrapping
brand new
a new
fridge.
car or something. Like, Help do the honors, baby. Wow. It's like saran wrap. There we go.
It's in there good.
Yeah.
Make sure you guys leave a comment, like this video, and share it with your friends on YouTube and every other platform. Let's get it in the millions of views. Okay. Getting all of this off. We'll be right back. Good morning. Wow. It must be cold if Will even has some sort of a jacket on. He never has no clothes on.
What? What the?
Oh,
Amanda,
yeah.
come here.
Why you not clapping?
Oh my gosh.
Touch it, why don't you?
Whoa. 10, 13.
Come in now.
I know that it will be done by. Come on. And I's playing it on her phone. You don't need to take on Jay. And I's playing it on her phone. The music on. Chicken. Hey.
Everyone loves the dances she was doing the other days, eh? They said he should be on America's Got Talent.
Oh. Oh. Jesus Christ. Oh. That was the freezer.
Hey, Brooke the girl.
Here's ice cream. I want to see. New refrigerator. And it plays stuff on. Watch out. Wait, which side? I know, right? It's cool. This is the refrigerator we were looking at. Yeah. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Ouch! I got the wrong way. Oh, never mind.
Can you believe you can do this from a refrigerator?
When our phones are dead. Mine isn't. When the TV. When somebody else. I'm watching you like this and
7:30 in the morning. It's time for these kids to go to school. And yours truly, AP, I take them to school. So,
It's safe from and friends. It's safe from and friends. I like the imaginary road.
Yeah. Oh, Zay, do it, Zay. Do what you do in the video. I love my kids. Okay, it is time for school. We gotta go.
How cool. Can we go back home? I forgot my presentation for my mac and cheese.
You better hurry up and go get it.
I'll go get it.